Well, after several trips here to SeaWorld, there's no rope here. This attraction is actually finally running. So Brian and I are gonna try. And unfortunately it's $5 extra, but we're gonna do it anyway. Looks like it's running.
Wow, cool.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet,
300 feet?
It would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable.
Some lights up
For
there.
your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride. And no smoking, please.
Brian, no smoking.
Sorry.
Right over that way, I think it was.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30,000 animals over the past 50 years? You can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC.
Over there is the convention center and the Hilton, and off that way is the
Naturally, SeaWorld is known for world-class
Icon and
aquarium collections. Believe it or
Sky
not, you
Flyer.
can find some amazing aquariums in the gift shop of Journey to Atlantis, where sharks circle above you and
Wonder if those
swirls of
are,
fish swim around your feet.
No, those aren't solar panels. But there's Sea Lion High.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles.
Infinity
As the
Falls.
cabin rotates, keep an eye open.
Wow, look at how much space around here. Still
Across the street from SeaWorld.
still woods. You don't see that in South Florida. Unless it's protected.
Snorkel with rays and exotic fish. Relax.
I can snorkel with some guy named Ray.
Even swim alongside dolphins.
Oh.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park.
Unless you're on this side.
Look for our signature ride. 2 awesome enclosed tube slides that send you speeding through a lively lagoon filled with playful conversation.
There's where MegaCon will be.
Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
Ah, now we can see Aquatica. Looks
As
way
the
smaller than I thought it was.
You'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest,
Hey, look!
fastest,
Stella's dad.
longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster. Mako is named for one of the ocean's fastest known sharks.
No, he's named after Mako,
Reaches
the
top
dog.
speeds of 73 miles per hour.
That's
along
it?
Nearly a
Slow
mile
poke.
of track.
Aha! I
If you
found
look
Sesame
for the
Street.
icy rocks that tower above SeaWorld, you'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never.
I want to go to Uncle Antarctica.
Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above and below the water, and be inspired to make a difference.
There's the entrance.
We're on a mission, and it's big but not impossible.
They're on a mission from
We're
God.
going to protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet.
Or give them money.
Each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and
Looks
see
familiar.
it there, from park to planet. Interaction is a big part of a SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind at one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences. Shark's Underwater Grill.
I know about it. There's the very, very,
About any
very
guided
large
tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, just stop by the guest information counter.
killer whale or
The SeaWorld entrance.
area for Shamu, and I'm sure there's more than just Shamu there.
We hope that you've enjoyed your ride aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings, and watch your step as you exit the cabin.
That's our trip to SeaWorld, mostly Sesame Street. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and
Please exit through the gift shop.
woo! Woo!
Woo!